Daddy, we're gonna go see Kuchi Kuchi and Ocho Ocho again. Okay?
Okay.
Hi, Kuchi Kuchi! Hello, Kuchi Kuchi! Hi!
Come here, baby daddy. Come over here.
Hi, Kuchi Kuchi! Hi, Kuchi Kuchi, how are you? I missed you so much. Who's that? Who's that? That's Uncle Landon. You want to bring it? I'm gonna give it to you.
Wait.
Hold Kuchi Kuchi, okay? Oh, hold like that. Like that. Wow! It's like Kuchi Kuchi is confused. Okay, how can you entertain Kuchi Kuchi?
Kuchi, kuchi, kuchi. Kuchi, kuchi, kuchi.
Mm.
Hey, kuchi, kuchi.
Hey, Kuchi Kuchi! Hello! Oh, baby daddy, she's moving. Rawr! 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 You wanna see Ocho Ocho?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give back Kuchi Kuchi. Hey, Kuchi Kuchi! Kuchi Kuchi! Wow! She's not happy to see me. I missed you so much. Can't you see? She's not happy to see me. Okay, give back Kuchi Kuchi na. Oh my gosh. That is Ocho Ocho. Hold him properly because the head is very, very mashaba. Meaning, hi Ocho Ocho. Because he's very fat. The face has many fats. See? Hi! Does he move? What?
Yes.
Is he heavy?
I'm nervous.
You're nervous? Rawr! Rawr! Ocho Ocho! Ocho Ocho! Ocho Ocho! Cute! Cute! Ocho Ocho! Very cute! Very cutesy! Very cute!
Ocho, Ocho. Ocho, Ocho. Hey,
Ocho Ocho! Cute!
Hey.
Okay. Hold him properly. Okay.
Ayan.
He's smiling. Sige na, give back mo na si Ocho Ocho. Bye, Ocho Ocho!